Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the things we use from the Dollar Tree every single time we go camping, which is about once a month. This is the kitchen edition. I'm going to start that right now. If you're a returning viewer, thanks so much for watching. We appreciate you guys so much. If you're new to our channel, welcome. I'm Carrie. Mark's behind the camera today. And this is Oscar, little camping dog. He's checking us out today, watching our Dollar Tree video. Please subscribe and check us out on Instagram. We're new to Instagram, so check us out over there. I plan on doing different Dollar Tree videos of the different parts of the camper. Today is kitchen edition. So if you hit that notification bell, you'll be notified when we do more Dollar Tree videos and just camping videos in general. Mark and I thought we'd show you things that we use from the Dollar Tree every single time we go camping.
Mostly her.
Yeah, actually that's true.
Yeah, mostly
He
her.
miay do another video of what he uses like on the outside of the camper.
I will.
From the Dollar Tree. It's amazing how many things we use from the Dollar Tree.
Yes.
This is the kitchen edition.
Okay.
So I narrowed it down to things that we use every single time. And these are in no order. Like I just pulled them. This is the egg container from the Dollar Tree. You guys may have this and use it at home. It is awesome. Hard to believe it's only $1. This is great to put in the refrigerator. I just put the eggs in there. They travel great. Nothing has broken. It's awesome. Great purchase for home or the camper, but we use this every time. This I have in my pantry. You can see how it comes out like that.
Oh, it has a handle.
Has a handle.
I like that.
I usually put like different snacks in it. If I don't want to bring the whole snack container from home, nuts or trail mix or whatever, I put it in baggies and we can just pull this out very easily and see what's in there. So that's awesome. You guys have seen these at the DT. They're just little Betty Crocker containers. I try to just plan and cook so that we won't have leftovers because it's kind of a pain. But if we do, I stick them in here.
Show them the screw on top.
Oh yeah.
It's my favorite.
I love that.
It's the best.
Sometimes I'll prepare stuff from home, at home, and stick it in here too. But see how it screws on? I've never had these spill or anything.
No, they're the best.
These are great.
I love those.
These two sets of bowls here. The red bowls, we need just kind of like serving bowls sometimes. I mean, it's just Mark and I most of the time, but sometimes I'll do like a fruit salad, or it's also good just to set like on the counter with the fruit I bring from home, limes, tomatoes, whatever. These, and they come in a set of 2.
Nice. They're big too.
They are big. Here, let me show you.
Look how big that is.
That might give you a better idea.
Man, that's big.
It's like a gigantic cereal bowl for my 22-year-old son. But we use it as a serving bowl.
He can eat 2 of them.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, and these, I think they come in a set of 6 or 8. I know you've seen them. Usually they're on a little strip. These I use to prep ahead of time.
I love those.
And I'll put mustard, mayonnaise, spices. There's no way we're going to use a whole thing of mustard, so it's just easier.
Smart.
Oh, thank you.
I put nuts in them.
Well, that carries about 4 nuts.
Well, not, I mean, you know, for a snack in my pocket.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Anyway, those are awesome. This is just a set of Styrofoam cups. We have Tervis Happy Camper coffee cups, but we don't always use them if we want to take somewhere to go or whatever. They don't have a lid. These are just easier, and we use these. $1 for 20. This is a gigantic bowl.
Dude, it's huge.
This I'll go ahead and clean lettuce if we're going to have a salad or for burgers or something like that, and put it in here. There's probably millions of other things we can do.
Everything's huge.
We always seem to have a salad, some kind of salad when we go camping, and it's just great to have it prepped as much as possible in here.
My son can eat a cereal bowl that big.
That's true. Yes.
That's one for him.
I said, oh, and here's this cutting board. You guys know if you watched another video that we did on the Dollar Tree, which we'll link above. This is Mark's favorite.
I love that.
He loves this little cutting board.
It's so small.
Yeah, we use this every time.
It fits perfect.
Yeah.
I mean, it is the best
It
cutting
takes
board.
up no room. I kind of stick it behind the oven, behind the stovetop.
And when it gets eat up, just buy another one. They're
$1.
Right,
Yeah.
buck.
I said this wasn't really in order, but I think this might be one of my favorites. This and the egg holder. It's just a little butter dish. But the cool thing is it's plastic. So we have a glass one at home. But before we leave, I just stick a whole stick of butter in here and don't have to worry about it breaking or anything like that. Because sometimes we'll cook outside of the camper. You can just hand it to Mark, whatever. Anyway, it's very handy.
You just take the top off and use it. You know what I mean?
Yes,
Yeah,
honey.
you just
That's
carry
what
it
you
out.
do.
Okay.
Just take the top off. We usually go through a whole stick of butter.
Yeah, we do.
Per weekend.
Yeah, we do.
These are a few cleaning things which have to do with the kitchen. Of course, you guys know about these wipes. They're awesome. I watch Christy Davis a lot, and she encourages you to look for the bonus pack, which I never even thought of before I started watching her.
Wow.
Always look for the bonus pack.
And if you have a dog, we wipe down the stuff with him when he gets in.
We wipe down what?
Like the couch and...
Oh, not with these.
Oh, never mind. Okay.
We do with these though. These are the multi-surface wipes. You can do pleather, wood, you know, all the things in the our camper anyway, that really aren't real. But but I use this. There's no like antibacterial properties in this, but it's easy just to use to wipe down pollen or dirt or whatever. You guys know how your campers get. Baggies. These are my favorite from the Dollar Tree. It's probably not that great of a deal. You only get 11. These are the freezer bags, and they're a quart. I just feel better, like when we're camping, having things very secure. So that's why I use the freezer bags, and the quart is a good size.
I like the zip top.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
it's easy for Mark to open and close.
Right.
Like I said, probably not the best deal, but it's a small pack. We don't need a pack of 50 from Sam's. I just stick them in the drawer. We have 2 drawers in this camper, which is awesome, in the kitchen.
Yep.
So I just stick them in there. Found this recently at the Dollar Tree, and it's just easy. Although I do have these antibacterial, sometimes it's easier to just spray something down and wipe it with a paper towel. So I kind of keep both of these in the camper to clean. So this is one other thing you saw on another Dollar Tree video we did. It's just a tray to carry things out to the picnic table. Sometimes we eat at the picnic table, sometimes we eat in the camper. But it's nice to be able to have this to carry everything out there. It just kind of helps make fewer trips.
And they have different ones, different seasons.
Yeah, this was this summer, 2019. But y'all know, they have all kinds of stuff.
Why do I know that?
Because I told you on the last video.
Yeah, and I see them all the time in the house.
So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and you can get some uses out of some of this Dollar Tree stuff, and leave some comments below if there are things that you guys use, because I'm sure there's several more things. We want to do a bathroom edition. Mark, like I said earlier, I think is going to do an outside edition, and we will link the one below and above in the cards of the one we did before of our favorite top 10.
Sounds good.
Okay, thanks. Bye.